Hi, I thought this might be an easier way to get you lined up for this next week. Oh, by the way, this is the guy that you learned about last week on The Men Who Built America. This is Mr. Frick, who is in charge of the flood and the homestead disaster at Carnegie's plant. So anyway, that's what he actually looked like in real life, in case you wondered. They pretty did it. I mean, a good job on casting. They did pretty good, right? All right, so this is what your canvas should hopefully look like. So once again, at the top, you have resources, then you have assignments, and then down below you have activities, which include those videos that we watch from time to time. So on Monday, and I have this typed out in the email, you are going to complete this right here, which is the Gilded Age political cartoon assignment. When you open it up, oops, wrong one, it looks like this at the top, political cartoon analysis, the Gilded Age. There's the political cartoon that you're going to be looking at. Now, I have included right below it, it says Gilded Age Cartoon Analysis Explanation Video. I made a short little video on how to complete the assignment. So since it's a little different than just the reading worksheets that we normally do, I gave you just a little bit more insight, and hopefully that helps explain what you're going to work on. So that's Monday. Monday is the Gilded Age Political Cartoon assignment. Also make sure that you've read through all the notes, you've watched all the attached video clips through the lesson up here, the Chapter 13 slideshow. So I try to put not only notes, but embed important video clips to help support the information. Usually they go a little more in depth the further your understanding about different topics. Then on Tuesday, you are going to complete right here where it says Module 13, Lesson 3. It is one of the traditional reading worksheets where you read the information and then you type in the blanks to show me that you understand the concept. On Wednesday, you have this assignment right here. So for January 12th, the Triangle Factory Fire assignment, and you are going to be, here it is, watching a video and then answering questions and then giving me a written response about things from the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory fire. I also made a short little explanation video about how to complete it and what the expectations are for that assignment. So once again, so far, Monday is the Gilded Age Political Cartoon assignment. Tuesday is this, the Module 13, Lesson 3 assignment, and you can see the dates when they're set to open. Monday, January 10th, Tuesday, January 11th, and then Wednesday, January 12th, is this Triangle Factory Fire assignment. On Thursday, and actually if you get done ahead of time, you can go ahead and review with it, but for Thursdays, I set aside because that in class with my in-person students, we spend the day reviewing for the test in multiple ways, but I have put the review game for the test, a link for it. So actually it should be open now. It'll be open till next Friday. You can play it up to $1 million worth. I'm not for sure if it'll let you play it again after you've hit the $1 million point in the game. If you would like to keep playing it and it's locked you out, if you'll just email me, I can send you a new link to play again. But it has important review questions that you're going to see on the exam on Friday. And then when Friday gets here next week on the 14th, it's not open yet. It's not listed down here yet, but under test for the unit, you will have your exam to take on Friday. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I thought maybe if I explained it in person, since we're kind of starting new again with the semester, it's been a while, how to wrap up a unit, I thought maybe a video would be handy. Thank you.